Hi friends, welcome to SB Prediction. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction Tuesday 14 January 2025. Today UK 49's lunchtime prediction number, first lunchtime prediction number 2, number 19, number 22, number 34, number 45, booster number 7. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction. Join now YouTube channel membership, 99% accurate prediction member only. Join YouTube channel membership now. Join only level 3 UK 49 3 hot number, 99% accurate prediction 3 hot number. Join only level 3 UK 49 3 hot number. Today UK 49's tea time prediction number, first number 5, number 14, number 28, number 36, number 47, booster number 4. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction complete. Like, share, comment and subscribe this YouTube channel now.